Just 40 kilometers from the city of Kazan lies a hidden gem of Russian history, Sviyazhsk. This unique fortified settlement, now on an island, once stood as the eastern of the expanding Russian state in the 16th century. Founded in 1551 by Ivan the Terrible, Sviyazhsk played a crucial role in Russian history. It served as a springboard for the conquest of Kazan, marking a significant expansion of the Russian kingdom eastward into the lands of the Kazan Khanate. Imagine a fortress larger than the Moscow or Novgorod Kremlin. That was Sviyazhsk in its prime. Protected by high wooden walls, 7 gates, 18 towers, and even 3 secret underground passages to the Volga River, it was a marvel of 16th century military engineering. This formidable outpost allowed the Russian forces to finally capture Kazan in 1552, bringing the entire Middle Volga region under Russian control. In 1957, the construction of the Kugyshev Reservoir transformed Sviyazhsk into an island, now connected to the mainland by a single narrow highway. This isolation has helped preserve its unique character and rich history. Despite its small size, less than 1 square kilometer, Sviyazhsk boasts an incredible concentration of historical sites. UNESCO-protected monasteries, churches and museums dot the island, offering visitors a journey through centuries of Russian history and culture. At the heart of Sviyazhsk stands the Domitian Monastery, founded in 1555. Once the wealthiest monastery in the Middle Volga region, it was a center of faith, learning and even early printing in Russia. The monastery's bell tower, standing at 43 meters, remains the tallest structure on the island.
Так, туда-сюда, наверное, пойдем.
Пойдем. Здесь. Происходить.
Sviyazhsk's history isn't all glorious. During the Soviet era, its sacred spaces were repurposed for darker uses. As prisons, psychiatric hospitals and labor camps, the island became a place of suffering for many, including political dissidents and juvenile offenders. Today, however, Sviyazhsk has been reborn. Its churches and historical buildings have been lovingly restored, allowing visitors to experience the island's rich history, while honoring the memory of those who suffered here. As you walk the streets of Sviyazhsk today, you are not just exploring an island, you are stepping through layers of Russian history. From its origin as a military outpost at the edge of the expanding Russian state to its role in the Soviet era and its modern revival, Sviyazhsk encapsulates the complex journey of Russia itself. The island's story reflects on the eastward expansion of the Russian kingdom, the changes of Russia's borders over the centuries, and the evolving relationship between the Russian state and the diverse people of the Volga region. Today, Sviyazhsk stands as a living chronicle of Russian history, a place where the medieval past meets the present, all within the space of one small remarkable island. Each stone, each building, each restored church tells a part of Russia's intricate story, inviting visitors to immerse themselves in centuries of turbulent and fascinating history.